Welcome back to a new video. Today I have with me the new Renault ZOE full electric, and I'm right here in Schönbuhl at Garage Galliker. You can check them out on the internet carplanet.ch. And until then, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and let's do the test drive with the new Renault ZOE, and then we will talk at the end. So let's do it, guys. Alright guys, so here is the key and let's drive it. Oh man. Let's drive the car, go inside. The cool fact that on this new Renault ZOE, it is that you have a keyless entrance. All you have to do is just put the key here, very light key, very nice to keep it in the pocket. That's pretty nice. And all you have to do, let's put the seat belt. I already set my seat before start this video, and now all you have to do, press the brake, press the start engine button, and it's so silent guys. Also, let me close this. We have the climatic system also down here. It's pretty good, very easy to adjust it just from here. I like this climatic system. If you want to see the full review with the car, where I go in every single detail, climatic system, multimedia system, cockpit, and all the space in the back and stuff like that, check out on my channel the other video with full review with the new Renault ZOE. But until then, I will just drive. Right here I have the new Renault ZOE with the bigger motor, R135. This is mean that this car, this ZOE right here, have 136 horsepower on this model. And the car price of the car, it's 30,000 basis price. With all these options, the price will be 32,900 francs, yeah. But if you come at Galliker, guys, right here in Schönbuhl, Garage Galliker AG Renault, you will have a 10,000 discount, so you can buy this car with 21,900 francs. This is fantastic because it has 1,000 kilometers, but it's new. This is a new car. It's the Intense version, A-Sport edition. It's an amazing price for this car, because you can drive this car till 395 kilometers. Renault claimed that, and to be honest, I think it's the most affordable electric car price, the best price quality electric car on the market today. You have amazing visibility on the windows as we start, great big mirrors. We have blind spot technology in the mirrors right here. I will change the language, or probably not. I will leave it like that, because you can check out my other video there. I go into details and stuff like that. There you can see also the English language, but I will leave the navigation system like that. Also, you have the navigation right there on the new cockpit. It's amazing, the new cockpit. It looks gorgeous. It has great resolution and stuff like that. You can also customize the way you want it up there. You can see the consumption, you can see the radio, you can see the navigation in the middle, you can see wherever you want. So that's great that you are able to customize it the way you want it. I will leave it like that with the navigation in the middle. Also, the new electric gear shifter is super awesome. All you have to do, you go down or up. You go up and reverse. The car have a reverse camera, you can see it, pretty awesome. And also you can go in D mode, just like that, drive mode, and you drive the car. Great steering wheel, leather, great grip. And let's drive it. Let's start driving, guys. I'm really excited to drive this new Renault ZOE. And by the way, the car have a noise that tell the people you are around. I don't know if you can hear the noise. You can hear it, or you can hear it just a little bit. And you can see it also, the reflection in the mirror, in the mirror right there. But if you want to take out this noise, you have a button down here close to the steering wheel, heating steering wheel, because this steering wheel it's also heated. But if you press this button, and it's quiet. If you want to hear this noise that will let people know you are around, just leave it like that. If you want to take it out, press this button, no noise, silent. All right, first impression, I like it. At the first impression, I like it. Whoa, it's quite responsive right now. Also, you can change the different driving mode. You can go in eco, And first time let me drive in eco, and in eco mode I expect that acceleration it's much more slowly. Exactly, it's slowly accelerate. And right now press the brake and it's charging. You can see there on the screen it's charged the battery. When you brake it's regenerate the energy, and it's so quiet. I like the fact that here, in comparison with other cars, for example in comparison with Peugeot 208 electric or Opel Corsa electric, you have a taller position of driving. In other cars, in 208 you have a stiffer position, but here you have a taller position. You can see the Audi A4 and I'm really high over it. It's like a crossover, you know. I feel like I'm in a small SUV because the position is taller. I don't feel like I'm in a Renault ZOE. And under here is the battery, it's under the floor, that's why you have a taller position. And even there you can see the Toyota Corsa, it's also very stiff. And I like if you want a tall car, if you want to see the position upper, then this is perfect. And I like that it's really responsive, and I'm in eco mode. You can see I'm 50 already. Super responsive. It's quite impressive how responsive it is. And I like the tall position. The suspension are pretty good, and I'm quite impressed how, I don't know what kind of suspension they use, but it's super, they are super comfortable. They are super soft and comfy. I like them a lot. Wow guys, I'm quite impressed. Let me go in normal mode. I don't want to drive in eco mode. Let me go in sport, or yeah, I guess this is sport, or I guess it's normal mode. Oh my god. And now the car is much more responsive. To be honest, I drive the old ZOE, but it was not so responsive like this one here. Also, you have a great visibility in the back on the mirror, great big mirrors, great visibility on the mirrors on the side, and it's easy to drive. It's so easy. Let me take these curves here. Oh my god, I love it. The turn radius, it's so good. It stays so good on the road. It's super soft. It's not a sporty car. You feel more like a comfortable city car. The suspension are great. The acceleration, you can see now. Oh my god. The brakes are great. Acceleration is great. You can see right now accelerating. All right. Feel nice. Here are some bumps. Oh my god. The suspension are great. This is the plus that I find on the car. Great suspension, easy to drive. Quite impressive. I'm really impressed with what Renault did with this car. I'm really super impressed. Look at the turn radius, it's fantastic. It is indeed a really city car. I like it very much, to be honest. Also, when you go to reverse, you can see right there you have the camera. You can go in reverse. Also very silent, very easy to drive this car. And I like this screen. The screen, it's awesome. I mean, it's so silent, so nice. Also the air, you can use also the air if you want to, but I don't want to use it because you cannot hear me after all. Let me go back, but I take some bumps, and to be honest, they feel better than in my Tesla Model 3. Wow, quite nice. Here again, some bumps. Wow, you don't even feel it. The suspension are great. The handling, it feels like an SUV. It feels a little bit like an SUV. I don't know why. It's not like a sport car that stay on the road. It feels like a boat a little bit, but it's nice. I mean, I like this feeling. For the people that like this feeling of soft, it's pretty cool. So yeah, and I'm impressed. I didn't expect to have such a better acceleration, to be honest. I didn't expect. Look at this. Oh my god, it has such a nice acceleration, and this is something that I like very much. Great acceleration. Also, the car comes with this cruise control, You can set it here, for example, set the cruise control to 45, 50. Right now it's set to 50. I have lane assist right here. I activate it right now. Warning, lane assist at warning. Active, pure activate. So right now it should help me in the lane assist, but here I don't think so, because in the city. Also, I like how good is the mirror. It's amplify a lot the car in the back, so I can see the car behind me really well. Quite impressive. They did a great job.
Achtung, vignettenpflichtige Straße.
Ha, cool. Really impressive. I think they did a great job. And it's quite responsive. The fact that impressed me, it's when you touch the acceleration, the car, it's very responsive. It's really go. Look at this. Ho ho. You really feel the punch. You know what I mean? You know, electric car, you should feel that punch. And in this Renault ZOE right now, let me test it. Look at this. Okay. For example, let me stop. 0, and now accelerate. Oh, 50, 60. It's really punchy. It's go really fast to 100. So I'm impressed. It's not a sporty car, super sporty car like Tesla, for example, but it still have plenty of punch to drive faster or more sportier. And yeah, that's something that I like. I'm quite impressed, and I like that they did a great job. You can see now the lights in the night. For example, here the interior light look nice. It's a white, beautiful white ambient light, and also the cockpit, you can see it better right now. The multimedia system, this tablet right here in the middle, look gorgeous. I mean, you feel like you are in more expensive car. You have like a computer in the front, and here no more that old cockpits and stuff like that. It's much more nicer and newer, and I think they did a great job with it. Also the turn radius, it's fantastic. I like the turn radius of the car. It's so small, it's perfect for the city. It's perfect, just perfect for the city. Now again, here in the dark, the lights open automatic, and the car comes with a full LED light in the front as well. And if you want to hear that noise, I will still activate it for you. Okay, just like this. So when you drive under 20 kilometers, you can hear that noise, but still pretty impressive. They did a great job. I'm really impressed with the car. I think it's a great competitor. I don't know which one to choose if you think more in this class. Renault ZOE have more range than Peugeot 208, more range than Opel Corsa, and maybe if you want more range, they have more experience with electric cars. And I think Renault ZOE is the best option in this class, to be honest. I think they did a great job, and also the way it takes the bumps, it feels so nice at driving. And you can hear right now this little noise. It's quite impressive. Also, I have to park the car back, but yeah, I make my impression. I think you make an impression too. Also, it's very easy to drive and very easy to park. Let me park it here between the cones, between the cars and cones and stuff. I will have to park the car back here, and if I go a little bit like that and then a little bit in the front again, you can see how easy it is to maneuver because of this shifter here. It's so easy to maneuver the car, it's so easy to park the car, it's so easy to play with it, forward, backward. You don't have to look here. It works super good. I think they did a great job. I wish the steering wheel was a little bit more softer, you know. I wish the steering wheel was a little bit more easier to maneuver. That was the test drive with the new Renault ZOE. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful for you. Guys, I want to make a short resume about the car, and I think it has a great battery and great motor. It is very responsive. The regeneration worked really well. The gear shifter, this electronic gear shifter worked perfectly. The new cockpit, the multimedia system look fantastic, and also overall the car quality, it's pretty good. The seats are super comfortable, and it is a perfect electric car. 395 kilometer range. It's more than enough for most of the people for daily use, and the $30,000 or $21,000 for this car, it's a great price. It's if I think about Tesla Model 3 has a double price. You can't find the Tesla Model 3 under 45,000 new like this. So I think it's a great car with a lot of quality. Of course, it has downside, bad side, good side. All the cars have the same. I recommend it to test it, to go drive it, see how it feels with you, and if it feels good, you just go and buy it. If it doesn't feel good, then look more. But I think they make a big improvement from the previous Renault ZOE, and I think it's a great buy in my opinion. So guys, I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos, and I hope you get some useful information from these videos.